This is the latest energetic transmission from the Pleiadian star mothers sent to Oribel. Take only what resonates with you, and leave the rest behind. Please enjoy. Start of transmission.
Greetings, my children. You're always in our hearts, and in our thoughts. We ask you to be in joy. Let joy sing in every cell of your being. Let joy be your mantra. Let joy be in your thoughts. Let joy be everywhere your eyes turn to. Let joy be in your hearts. Because, in truth, you are joy first, before the restraints and constraints start to build up, as you learn to protect yourselves out of fear and limitation. Unlearn and release the blocks you placed upon yourself. Let joy return to your life. Take one day to do what you love to do. Be that child again. Skip, dance, sing, be creative, enjoy walking barefoot, laugh out loud. Let yourself be soaked in joyous harmony with your surroundings. Let the fairy magic engulf you, and give thanks for their presence. They are here to show what it is like to be joyful again. The energy of joy is one of the easiest ways to raise your vibration, and it's the easiest way to begin making changes. Use the energy of joy when you initiate much-needed changes in any area of your life. It allows for creativity to flow from you in a free-flowing way. Use high-vibrating energies like joy, music, and laughter to break through any seeming difficult task, and you'll see that changes are so much easier to accomplish. Stay focused, and give intent. Joy is your answer, and it's your friend. We are your Pleiadian mothers. We bid you farewell for now.
End of transmission. The transcription for this message is found in the link below. Please also check out our workshop on channeling messages from ET races. You will energetically meet the Pleiadian star mothers, the Andromedans, and other individuals and collectives from higher dimensions in our universe. This class takes place in Singapore, and also online over Zoom, as a private tutorial. We are excited for you to begin your journey into the cosmos. Visit the links below to find out more. Thank you for watching.